We offer a treatment called Plenage. Plenage is made of polynucleotides, which are short strings of amino acids or proteins. If you're someone that wants to potentially avoid having fillers or Botox, this is a really good alternative to improve the look of your skin. It was initially developed to help with wound healing, so it actually promotes the healing and improvement of the skin itself. So Plenage is a very good treatment for improving plumpness of skin, improving scarring, pores, redness, and any imperfections of the skin that can really be helped by stimulating healing collagen and fibroblast production in the skin. It usually takes 2 to 3 treatments to see the full results, and it can take a few weeks to kick in once you've had the treatment. It can be a little bit sore, so what we normally do is we invite people in to have some numbing cream before to make the whole process as smooth as possible, and the downtime is about 3 to 5 days to allow the redness to go down. The clients that we've seen so far have really loved their results. They look more youthful, glowing, radiant and plump. So it's a really beautiful treatment to have as part of your skin treatments. It's a really beautiful treatment to add to help with your skin rejuvenation.